How to use English idioms in everyday conversation. You will learn about some common English idioms and how they can be used in everyday conversation. This video will help you understand the meaning of these idioms and how to use them naturally in your own speech. What are idioms? Idioms are a unique and essential part of the English language. They are phrases or expressions whose meanings cannot be understood simply by looking at the individual words. Instead, their meanings are figurative and culturally embedded. Idioms enrich communication by adding color, emotion, and personality to speech and writing. Mastering idioms helps learners sound more natural and fluent in English, making conversations more engaging and expressive. For example, consider the idiom, break the ice. If taken literally, it suggests physically breaking ice. However, in conversational English, it means to start a conversation in a way that makes people feel more comfortable. Another example is spill the beans, which literally suggests dropping beans but actually means to reveal a secret. While idioms are a type of figurative language, they differ from other figures of speech such as metaphors and similes. A metaphor, like time is money, directly compares two things without using like or as. A simile, such as brave as a lion, makes a comparison using like or as. Idioms, on the other hand, are set expressions with meanings that cannot be deduced from the individual words. Common English idioms. There are thousands of idioms in English, but some are more commonly used in daily conversations. Here are a few popular ones along with their meanings and usage. Hit the nail on the head. To describe something exactly right. Example: when you said the problem was poor communication, you hit the nail on the head. Under the weather. Feeling sick or unwell. Example: I won't come to work today because I'm feeling under the weather. Bite the bullet. To endure a painful or difficult situation bravely. Example: I didn't want to take the vaccine, but I decided to bite the bullet and get it. Let the cat out of the bag. To accidentally reveal a secret. Example: he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. A piece of cake, something very easy to do. Example: the test was a piece of cake. I finished it in 10 minutes. Burn the midnight oil. To work late into the night. Example: she burned the midnight oil to finish her report. Throw in the towel. To give up or quit. Example: after trying to fix the car for hours, he finally threw in the towel. By incorporating these idioms into conversations, learners can make their speech sound more natural and expressive. Idioms in context. Using idioms correctly requires an understanding of context. Idioms should fit naturally into conversations and align with the situation. Misusing idioms can lead to confusion or misinterpretation. For example, saying spill the beans in a formal business meeting may seem unprofessional, whereas using it in a casual conversation with friends is more appropriate. Similarly, hit the nail on the head is suitable for discussions about problem solving, while under the weather is used to describe feeling sick. Cultural differences also influence idiom usage. Some idioms may not translate well into other languages, and their meanings can vary across cultures. For example, the British idiom "Bob's your uncle," meaning everything is set, may confuse American English speakers. Therefore, it is important to learn idioms commonly used in the specific variety of English one is learning. Tips for learning and practicing idioms. Read and listen to English content such as books, movies, and podcasts to see how idioms are used in context. Practice using idioms in conversations to become more comfortable with them. Learn idioms in groups based on themes, such as work-related idioms or idioms about emotions. Keep an idiom journal and write down new idioms along with example sentences. Ask native speakers or teachers for clarification when unsure about an idiom's meaning or usage. Idioms for specific situations. Different situations call for different idioms. Here are some idioms commonly used in specific contexts. Work and business. Think outside the box. To be creative and innovative. Example: we need to think outside the box to solve this issue. Call the shots. To be in charge and make decisions. Example. As the manager, she calls the shots in the office. Put all your eggs in one basket. To risk everything on a single opportunity. Example. Investing all your money in one stock is like putting all your eggs in one basket. Relationships and social situations, hit it off. To get along well with someone immediately. Example. They hit it off on their first date. Sweep someone off their feet. To make someone fall in love quickly. Example. He swept her off her feet with his kindness. Give someone the cold shoulder. To ignore someone intentionally. Example. She gave him the cold shoulder after their argument. Daily life and emotions. Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. Example. That designer bag costs an arm and a leg. Jump on the bandwagon. To follow a trend. Example. He jumped on the bandwagon and started watching the latest TV show. A blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad at first, but turns out good. Example. Losing my job was a blessing in disguise. I found a better one. Additional practice. Examples. Cut to the chase. To get to the point quickly. Example. We don't have much time, so let's cut to the chase. Go the extra mile. To put in extra effort. Example. She always goes the extra mile to help her students. Break a leg. A way to wish someone good luck. Example. Before the play started, they told the actors to break a leg. Encouraging learners to practice these idioms in real-life situations helps reinforce their meaning and usage. Viewers can also be invited to share their favorite idioms and how they use them in the comments. Conclusion and call to action. In this guide, we explored what idioms are, their importance, and how to use them in everyday conversations. We looked at common idioms, their meanings, and examples of how they fit into different contexts. Understanding idioms enhances fluency and helps learners sound more natural when speaking English. To continue improving, learners should actively listen to idioms in movies, books, and conversations, practice using them in everyday speech, and explore additional resources to expand their vocabulary. For more learning resources, consider subscribing to educational YouTube channels, joining English learning communities, and reading books on idiomatic expressions. Share your favorite idioms in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more lessons on mastering English fluency, keywords and phrases with meanings, general terms, idioms, fixed expressions whose meanings are not directly understood from the individual words. Figurative language. Language that goes beyond literal meaning to convey a different idea. Context, the situation or setting in which words or expressions are used. Fluency, the ability to speak a language smoothly and naturally. Common idioms and their meanings, break the ice. To start a conversation in a way that makes people feel comfortable. Spill the beans, to accidentally reveal a secret. Hit the nail on the head, to describe something exactly right. Under the weather, feeling sick or unwell, bite the bullet, to endure a painful or difficult situation bravely. Piece of cake, something very easy to do. Burn the midnight oil, to work late into the night. Throw in the towel, to give up or quit. Think outside the box, to be creative and innovative. Call the shots, to be in charge and make decisions. Put all your eggs in one basket, to risk everything on a single opportunity. Hit it off, to get along well with someone immediately. Give someone the cold shoulder, to ignore someone intentionally. Cost an arm and a leg, something very expensive. Jump on the bandwagon, to follow a trend. Blessing in disguise, something that seems bad at first but turns out good. Cut to the chase, to get to the point quickly. Go the extra mile, to put in extra effort. Break a leg, a way to wish someone good luck.